how you motivate them. And two is how you communicate with them. Motivation first. When you have a very engaged and motivated team, they will give you their energy, their talents to help the organization. Unfortunately, there are many leaders who do not know how to motivate their people. Sometimes they use the wrong technique. Let me take you back to about 2017, 2 years ago. I was invited for a meeting with the CEO and his senior leadership team. They were in the food and beverage industry. Yeah, food and beverage like Burger King and all of that, right? So I was invited for that meeting. Now the CEO was sharing with me, my team is not excited. They're not having fun at work. They're making too many mistakes. We need to get them motivated. So I was asking him a lot of questions. And one of the questions I had for him was, what is the one problem that you want to solve today? So I asked him, what are we doing about it today? So what happened was, he turned around to his head of operations. His head of operations was a young, stern, angry-looking lady. And she told me, we have come up with a 100-point system. If someone makes a mistake, we will drop 25 points and we will scold them. And if they make more mistakes, we'll drop another 25 points and give them a warning.